So today's a little bit of a different type of video for the channel. As you guys have probably seen, there's going to be a Chuck E. Cheese Funko pop figure vinyl, whatever you want to call them, releasing on June 6th. And we actually got a hold of one a little bit early, got it right here, and I thought it would be fun to do a review and just sort of show it off. So maybe you can decide if you want it or not. This is going to be part of the ad icon series. You'll see it, the ad icons, they do a lot of like food mascots. You've got Ronald and Mayor McCheese back here, not sure if they're in frame or not, but we'll check it out. Now, one of the things that people were kind of upset about with this is he's called Retro Chuck E. Cheese. And you'll see in a moment if you haven't seen photos, he's not the most retro Chuck in the world. I'm not gonna cut myself with these box cutters. There we go. All right. This is exciting, and this isn't the first time Chuck E. Cheese has collaborated with toy brands rather than their own manufacturers. Everybody knows about the Barbie they did, the Hot Wheels, stuff like that. It's got like a special contraption for it just for pop figures. But yeah, this is one of the more recent Chuck E. Cheese collaborations, like my shirt, like the Squishmallows, stuff that they've done in the last 5 years to sort of gain some popularity with other brands. Okay, so first look. Here he is. Here's Retro Chuck E. Cheese. So yes, this is the Avenger design. He's got his classic green shorts, his purple shirt, his hat. They had this on the walk around and the bought in stores. He's a pretty standard pop figure if you have one. Something notable, he's holding a token that's like the size of his hand. You can see on the back, normally if they have multiple pop figures in the series, they'll have them all listed there, but this is the only one they have right now. They don't have any of the other guys, any of the other characters or versions of Chuck. But it's just him for right now. And he's number 186 in this series. I'm not really sure what that means because they have many, many, many series. There he is. So I'm actually gonna take him out so we could look a little bit at how the mold for this one is. Get some close-ups so you can see him. So the thing I noticed right away is the colors are very bright, and I like it. Sometimes if you've ever seen like an old walk around or the bought shirt, it can be a little bit of a deeper purple, but very bright with the purple and green. It looks really nice. His eyes are not all the way open because, you know, the pop figures have those soulless black circular voids as their eyes, but his are slightly closed, sort of like he's just got a neutral expression. Got paint over the tops. He's smiling. He looks really nice, just holding up his token and his other hand's down at his side. 2023 CC Entertainment, and then of course the Funko 2023 on the bottom of his foot. And he stands up straight, he doesn't have a stand or anything. And he's not the bobblehead version either, he's just solid plastic, so. I don't know, I think he'd look nice on a shelf, you know? These bright colors, he's happy. Hopefully they make more of these in the future. I think it's really cute and I'm glad they're sort of branching out, trying to get with some more mainstream brands. So these guys will be available on June 6th. Already a lot of people have pre-ordered on Hot Topic. I think even Amazon. Everywhere's got him. Some Funko resellers already have him available online, which is how we got a hold of him. But he's gonna be in stores, so that's gonna be really cool. You could pick up a piece of Chuck E. Cheese merch at an actual store. So, all right, well, let me know if you've pre-ordered one, if you're thinking of getting one, if you can't wait to see him in stores, if you think it looks hideous, just let us know. I think it's cute, and hopefully a lot of fans enjoy him.